Hello everyone. My name is Matt Owensby. I'm here with Incident IQ, and today I'm going to walk you through the LocknCharge integration for Incident IQ. So we'll be showing you how this integration streamlines and simplifies device exchange and drop-off events. It makes it easier on tech teams to coordinate these types of events, these device and accessory drop-offs and exchanges, and it makes it easier for staff and students to pick up both new and replacement devices. So let's go ahead and jump in product, and I'll show you how this integration works in action. First up, let's take a look at managing this integration. Here on the settings for the LocknCharge integration, there's a couple things I can control as an administrator. Underneath my credentials here, I can select whether an email is sent to a parent or guardian when a notification related to a LocknCharge event is sent from Incident IQ. This parent-guardian contact information comes from integrating your district's SIS solution with Incident IQ. Next, we can select what workflows are available from the LocknCharge widget. You can see these 5 here, and we'll get to the difference in these workflows here in a second. For now, let's just leave them all selected. So once we have everything set up, let's see what this integration looks like in action. Here, I have an open ticket for a Chromebook with a cracked screen. If I scroll down here, I can see the LocknCharge widget. You can select from these 5 different workflows that we talked about earlier that correspond to different exchange types: new, temporary, spare, replacement, and return. When I select an exchange type, I can specify if I'm going to reserve the same bay for all events, meaning that in the event of a multi-step exchange, right, where there's a student that's going to be dropping off a broken device and picking up a newer loaner device, that same locker bay will be used. Once I've made that selection, I'll be taken to the step where I can select the bay that I want to use. Here, I can also select Show Only Spare Pool Assets, which will show me only the bays currently loaded with devices being managed by Incident IQ's Spare Pool. I can select this bay that's already been loaded with an asset inside, or I can select an empty bay if I need to go and place a device inside. Each time an update is made to a ticket using the LocknCharge integration, an email notification will be sent to the requester and optionally to the parent guardian. For these pickup and drop-off events, this email will contain the PIN code needed to open the locker bay, as we can see here in this email notification. Once the requester has been sent the notification, they can access the designated LocknCharge fuel tower and either drop off their broken device or pick up their new one. All these interactions will be logged on the Incident IQ ticket timeline as well, ensuring that technicians have a detailed, time-stamped record of each LocknCharge event. Outside of a ticket, you can also view and manage LocknCharge lockers from the Assets Explorer, allowing technicians to manually open a bay or assign a PIN code to a specific bay outside of a specific help ticket. This gives technicians greater flexibility when managing fuel towers without having to switch back and forth between systems. This integration between LocknCharge and Incident IQ helps IT teams reduce the amount of manual effort needed to coordinate exchange events and provides everyone involved with a secure, trusted way to pick up, drop off devices and accessories as well. If you have any questions about the LocknCharge integration, stick around. Our Q&A will be beginning shortly.